Today we are going to talk all about spas on cruise ships, everything that is included in the spas, and just bring you up to date on some things to think about if you are thinking about booking the spa. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and today is Saturday. It's June 17th of 2023, and I wanted to start off for those of you that have not ever been on a cruise ship yet, or you haven't taken the time to go to the spa. It is really amazing all of the different services that they offer in the spa. A thermal suite is an area there that they have got like a heated water pool, and it's really amazing to me how different those experiences can be on different ships. And so they've got the thermal suite, they've got the tile loungers that you lay on and they're heated, and so I've never used one. I've felt it during tours though, but Gordon has used it and he says they're amazing. But you can get massages, you can get laser treatments, to your face to like help get rid of those wrinkles. Usually you can get injections if you want injections in your face. You can have your nails done, your toenails. You can get your hair done, whether you want it colored or cut or just blow dried or styled. There are just so many different kinds. And when it comes to a massage, there are so many different kinds of massages, and they always have a really large menu of massages to choose from. So, and then they have acupuncture. All the ships I have ever been on, they have an acupuncturist on board to help with acupuncture for different things that you might need some help with. Then they've got the things like your like seeing how you walk, like your foot recognition. You know, they do that little thing that they advertise to see how you're walking and if they can do anything for your foot to make it feel better, put something extra in your shoe. There's just all of these different things that they do on a cruise ship as part of the spa services. Now, the amazing thing is some are very similar between cruise lines and between ships, and some can vary quite a bit. So I would say that my experience has been with getting my hair cut very best was still last year on the Regal Princess. So if you have been on a ship lately and you have gotten a haircut that you thought was phenomenal and somebody did your hair really well, put it down below because we can all use that information. Same thing with if you haven't had the greatest experience. I'll just tell you. So on the Eurodam, I got my hair trimmed. It was not remarkable. So I got it trimmed and blow dried one day, and then another day I was just being lazy, so I got it blow dried the day before we got off the ship. She needs to go to beauty school, so I was having to tell her how to do it, and so no, I don't really think I would recommend getting your hair done on the Eurodam, but not that they're all bad, but definitely not like it has been on other ships I've been on. I got my hair done on the Celebrity Beyond. That was excellent. So anyway, just shared that with you. But you can there's all of these options when you're on board. But one thing I want us to think about is a couple of things. First of all, I'm going to share footage here as I talk about some things so that you can see a little bit. Gordon's just going to add in footage to show you a little bit of like the Regals, and he'll put a whole bunch at the end of the video too, so just keep watching if you're interested in that. Because lately I've been trying to go on a tour of the spas so that you have an idea of what to expect, because they can vary an awful lot even on the same cruise line. Like when I did the video last year for the Regal Princess spa, that thermal suite is really different than what I am hearing about, for example, on the Island Princess. So I'm going to show you that when we are on her next month. But I really want you to think about it before you book your spa experience ahead of time. Take a look at YouTube, see what videos that you can find about a spa before you video it. And I would be very reticent to book a thermal suite experience or spend a lot of money at the spa until you really know what to expect. If it's on one of the big ships, like, you know, a bigger new ship, then I wouldn't worry so much because it's going to most likely be extraordinary, but I would still look. When we were on the Regal Princess, for example, the thermal suite was beautiful. It had a few of those heated tile loungers in the same area there, but the pool was not huge. You could fit some people in there, but not a whole lot of people. On the Eurodam, you could fit a lot of people in that pool area, and I thought it was really nice that the tile loungers were in another room. So that is why I think it's really important to pay attention to where things are and make sure that you're really going to enjoy the experience. Because several people have told us that if you get on board and you have paid, for example, for the thermal suite or a whole bunch of spa treatments, and then you go and it's not what you had hoped for, and so you want to cancel, they're going to put that money back to your onboard account. And lately, everything I'm hearing, Princess isn't giving it back. And so I don't know about the other cruise lines, if they're any better about giving it back. I personally think it should just be credited back to your credit card because that's the way that you did it, but they're not doing it. And so it worries me. I don't want you to spend a bunch of money, get on board, it doesn't meet your expectations, and then you've lost that much. So make sure that you really pay attention before you get on board. But I wanted to tell you some of the things that we have really enjoyed. I've mentioned getting my hair done. I've gotten my nails done a long time ago. Before COVID, I did that once. But Gordon has gotten massages, thoroughly enjoyed that. And he has used the thermal suite. It really helps with his arthritis. And he has really enjoyed that on the Regal Princess and on the Eurodam. He just did it. And on, what was the other ship? Well, I can't remember. But anyway, so those experiences have been really good. So when you get on board, the very first day that you board a cruise ship, go to the spa. Go get your lunch. If you're hungry, eat lunch, and then go to the spa because they're doing tours. So they will take you around and show you every single service that they offer. And then usually if you book on that day or on port days, you're going to get a little bit of a discount, which is great. And so make sure that you go visit there if you are interested in anything. All right. Be aware that everything is expensive. Everything is expensive everywhere, but it is expensive there. And so ask the price. If you don't have that price list in front of you, make sure that you ask how much it is. Take a good look at everything and then decide what it is that you want to do. I have noticed that some of them are really hard, like really trying to sell you on things, and other ones are more just showing you what's available and telling you about it, and you can ask questions, and it's much easier. So don't let anybody talk you into something that you don't want. I know that's funny that I would tell you that, but some people can be kind of, very much the salesperson and really trying to really sell you on that. So don't hesitate to just say, no, thank you, or I'll think about it. But definitely take that time to go see it. And if you know that you want a massage or you want a whatever done, make sure that you go that day so that you get the discount, because then you can, sometimes they'll have an even better discount if you get it done, like a massage done on embarkation day, but you usually will get some kind of a discount for booking it in the cruise, and then it's on your schedule and you can do it, because the spa will get really busy on the days that like you're in port, or especially even because of not only of the discount, but there's a lot of times that people have been to a port more than once, and so they don't always get off the ship. And so make sure that you book it. And then the sea days, they're also really busy because everyone is on board the ship and there are no ports to visit that day. So make sure that you keep that in mind as well. So here I'm just going to go ahead and Gordon will add that extra footage so that you can just take a little bit of a look at the just quick clips of the different spas that we have been to, so that you can kind of have in your mind what they look like. And like I said, when we're on the Island Princess next month, I'm going to video that for you so that you know what to expect on that as well, so that you don't get your hopes too high, or if it's what you're looking for, you'll know that you can go ahead and get it. Thank you.
This is our thermal suite.
Oh, wow.
This water is mineralized.
Oh,
there's no chlorine inside. So if you have like pain in the legs,
Oh,
so this is
wow.
our heated lounges. It's naturally warm.
Oh, is it?
Yes. So if you like have a
How lovely.
great. And yes, we always enjoy the view. So when you're
That's
out there,
beautiful.
you can
Uh-huh.
put your stuff inside,
Oh, okay.
right? And put on your robe and your slippers and go back to the
And
gym.
then go enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the gym, right?
Uh-huh.
We open from 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. You don't need to sign up when you come in. You just come in and do what you do, right?
Yeah. So he can have his tea here, his water, whatever, and you
Come
take
and
him from
relax.
here and then bring him to the massage room.
So here we have our time machine. Here we have our doctor Jorge, all the way from Venezuela. He's a specialist in facial rejuvenation.
Okay.
So the good thing about acupuncture, it can treat more than 100 concerns in the body. Yes. We also have treatment rooms for couples,
Mm-hmm.
and we also have room for singles. So this is Ashidom.
Okay.
Ashidom is the last technology for body detoxification. Ashido.
Ashido.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So here we have the heated bed. So you have the cold mist,
Oh,
and then you have the tropical room.
Oh, wow.
The sauna. This is the most hot.
those are always warm. Thank you.
This is Bemi bed. It's a pure wave technology. It has theta sounds.
No.
Okay, so here on board we provide all the hair services that you get on land. Curl, color, style, wash and blow dry, all the updos, all the hair treatments, okay?
Okay.
Full on complete facial tightening things you can do.
Oh, wow.
This is our machine that we usually use. And you can see all the different types of spots, wrinkles, textures, pores, brown spots, and even red areas. And then you can determine what treatment you want to do or even what products you want to use.
Like, do you talk to someone and figure out what kind of massage they need? I know he's like been worrying about his shoulders and back. So, but I don't know what to ask for him. So I hope this was helpful to some of you. Put down in the comments below what your questions are about the spa, and I'm happy to answer them. And if I don't know the answer, I'll find out for you when I'm on board next month. So thank you very much for being here with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you appreciate these videos, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.